Hey viewers, in this video we will review, not review the products, we will compare these three mics. The first one is the Boya-M1 color mic, and the second one is the local mic that will come under the $2 to $3 only. The Boya mic will come under the $12 to $14 to $15, and the third one is the mic that will come with the hand-free. So we will compare these three mics and you can judge these three mic qualities, and that will helps you to buy which one you like. So the right now I am recording with the Boya M1 color mic, and this is best for noise cancellation and have a very good quality and packing, and have a very long wire. This is good for the echo and the noise cancellation. So you can use this M1 mic with the DSLR, smartphones, laptops, mobile, etc. with the every gadget. You can use this. So the best thing of the Boya mic is to you can use this with the DSLR or a camera, where you have to use the powered mic. So that is the benefit of this Boya mic. So right now I am recording with the Boya M1 collar mic, and now I will detach this collar mic, Boya M1 mic, and after this I will connect the local mic. And now I am successfully connected the local mic with my computer or laptop, and you can check the great difference between the echo cancellation and the noise cancellation. This mic will come under the $2 to $3 only, and if you want a budget mic then it will also help you, but not compare with the Boya M1 mic that will have great quality noise cancellation. So right now I am recording with the local mic. You can check the great difference between the Boya M1 collar mic and the local mic. So after this, now I am connecting with the mic that will come with the hand free. You can check also the difference between these three mics. So now I am successfully connected with the hand free mic that will also come with only the $2 only. So if you want a budget mic along with your hand free, then this will also helps you, but don't have great quality as the BY-M1 mic. So if you want this budget mic, then this will also helps you. So right now I am recording with the right now I am recording with the hand free mic that also has some great experience, but not with like Boya mic. So right now I am recording with the hand-free mic that might helps you if you want a budget microphone along with your hand-free. So you can also record your videos with this mic. So I am going to detach this mic, and I will again. So now I am again connect the Boya mic with my laptop. So you can check the great difference between these three mics. So if you want a budget mic, you can buy these local mic or a hand-free mic. You can also use these to record the videos, but if you want a professional mic, then you must have to use the Boya M1 mic that have a very great experience for me as well as for the large YouTuber that also use this same mic. So you can so if you want a one-time investment or a one-time mic, then you must have to buy this M1 Boya mic. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel, also hit the like button of the video. So that's the end of the video.